how to enable and use eye tracking on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now here scroll down and search eye tracking. So click on eye tracking. Now here first of all turn on eye tracking button. So after turn on eye tracking button, showing your face ID, face and eyes, you will see after the process it's worked properly. So show again face, you will see it's worked properly. So you will see after 5 seconds it's worked properly. You will see. So after the process you will see so after the process you will see its work on eye tracking. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable and use eye tracking on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.